Everyone wants financial freedom, but how do you actually build real wealth and keep it? In this video, I'll walk you through simple, powerful steps to grow your money and make it last. First, ask yourself, what does wealth mean to me? For some, it's retiring early. For others, it's just living without stress about money. Wealth isn't one size fits all. Knowing what you want helps you make better financial choices. This one sounds obvious, but it's where most people struggle. Always spend less than you earn. Track your money. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet can work. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. High-interest debt is a wealth killer. Focus on paying off the worst debts first, usually credit cards. The snowball or avalanche method can help you stay motivated. Debt-free equals stress-free. That's real wealth. Saving money isn't just for emergencies, it's for opportunity. Set up automatic transfers, even if it's $20 a week. Small, consistent savings become big over time. This builds security and confidence. Here's the secret sauce: compound interest. Start investing early, even if it's small. Use index funds, retirement accounts like a 401k or RRSP, or ETFs. You don't need to be a stock expert. Just be consistent. Building wealth is only half the job. Protect it. Get health insurance, life insurance if you have a family, and secure your digital accounts. Wealth without protection is like a house without a roof. Money habits evolve. Read books like The Millionaire Next Door, or I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Listen to finance podcasts. Your best investment? Yourself. Building wealth isn't a sprint. It's a lifestyle. It's about patience, discipline, and purpose. Start where you are. You don't need to be rich to build wealth. You just need to start. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more videos on building a better life, one step at a time.